Good afternoon, everyone. We're back here at the Palms Country Club dito sa Alabang, Muntinlupa for our Asurian ROHQ Sports Fest 2024. At ngayong hapon na to, ang matutunghayan natin ay ang championship game nitong ating basketball tournament. Ang maglalaban, Yellow versus White. My name is Nico Wahe, ang inyong anchor for today. At hindi lang po ako nag-iisa, kasama ko the Mr. A, the myth and the legend, Mr. Romel Hernandez. Sir Romel, magandang hapon sa iyo.
Magandang hapon din, Nico.
Sir Romel, Mr. A, ayun, bigyan mo naman ako ng background dito sa ating dalawang koponan na maghaharap dito sa ating championship game. First, let's go to our white team.
Okay, first with the white team. So, yung journey nila papunta dito sa championship is undefeated. So, last year they are the purple team. They are also undefeated. So, ang goal nila for this year is to stay undefeated. So, we'll see if they can do that here again this year.
Sino bang dapat natin abangan dito sa white team natin, Romel?
Sa white team, lahat yan naabangan mo. Dahil lahat yan malalakas. Lalong-lalo na yung Gets Machenzo, yung kanilang kapitan. Archie O'Connor, Jeff Mate, at Kervin Avalos na last year season MVP.
Okay, and right now, let's go now naman dito sa ating yellow team. Sabi mo, dati mong koponan itong yellow team, malamang sa malamang, kilalang-kilala mo kung anong meron dito.
Of course, kilalang-kilala natin yung yellow team na yan, leading by their captain, Earl James Sedulio. So, journey to the championship team, to the championship game today. Yung yellow team, they come up strong nung first round but nag-struggle lang nung second round. Pero eventually, so they end up on the third seed ng standings natin, but luckily they managed to defeat the purple team in the semifinals at nandito na sila ngayon sa championship game.
Sir Romel, alam natin complete setup tayo dito sa The Palms Country Club. Ganong kalaki itong championship game na matutunghayan natin ngayong araw?
Yes, napakalaki. And if you will notice, bigyan lang kita ng konting trivia.
Yep.
Ang pagcha-champion sa basketball sa Asurion ay isang napakalaking dignidad.
Dignidad, bakit?
Yes, it's a whole year pride na ipagmamalaki mo sa opisina at ipagyayabang mo every time na napapasok kami sa office.
Kaya naman pala, patay kung patay. Kanina lang sa Battle for Third, nakita natin, down the wire, napakaganda
Yes.
ng laban. And we expect more dito sa ating championship game.
Kung na-intense na kayo doon sa Battle for Third, mas dapat nyo abagan itong championship game na to dahil rivalry na ito for the past 3 years mula nung bumalik tayo sa pag-basketball after pandemic.
Okay. And also, Sir Romel, ngayon naman tatanungin kita. Alam ko yellow team ka before, but baka you have your take kung sinong tingin mong may advantage sa laban nito between the yellow and the white.
Siguro let's take a look at it this way. If you will think of the speed, lamang doon ng white. But if you will think of the height, advantage, lamang doon ng yellow. So, kung sino ang mas manaig na advantage, yun yung mananalo dito.
Kaya naman, alam natin na magiging maganda ang ating championship game between sa yellow at ang ating white team. And right now, hindi na namin napatatagalin pa at eto na ang laban ng yellow at white sa ating championship game ng Asurian ROHQ Sports Fest 2024 Basketball Tournament.
Alright, let's go. Now, wala pa. Now, let's introduce the players from the yellow team. Starting off, yellow team, number 29, Jonathan San Juan. Number 20, Jackie Montibirhen. Number 17, Sorel Herente. Number 14, Arvin Francis Bien. Number 13, Elson Louis Chu. Number 10, Melvin Licon. Number 5, Christopher Pacheco. Number 4, Neil Michael Ang. Number 0, Earl James Sedulio. Number 8, Lou Anthony Akbo. Number 18, Junmar Cargulio. And last but not the least, number 12, Arnold Bonifacio. And meron pa isa, John Micah Esquivel.
And now for our white team. Number 96, Michael Yu. Number 72, Emmanuel Naval. Number 46, John Daniel Hernandez. Number 32, Jose Oscar Garcia Jr. And number 29, Kevin James Bahaw. Number 24, Dennis Abundo. Number 22, Archibald O'Connor. Number 21, Raymond Machenzo. Number 20, Cyril Joseph Cortez. Number 18, Denzel Artie Cruz. Number 16, David Joshua Balbuena. Number 13, Edward John Robles. Number 12, Jeffrey Ricardo Mate. Number 11, Michael Lucero. Number 10, Idel John Villete. Number 9, Kervin Abalos. Number 7, JM De Guzman. Number 4, Dave Libby. Number 3, Michael Malano. Number 2, Efren Rugas. And number 0, Lee Michael Manekla.
Right. Napaka-exciting ng championship match na ito dahil these are the two of my former teams.
Kaya walang katalo itong si Mr. A. Romel Hernandez
Feeling
sa
ko-
laban na to.
Feeling ko pinag-aagawan nila ako.
Once again, welcome at our Asurion ROHQ Sports Fest 2024. And we are live here at the Palms Country Club, Alabang, Muntinlupa. Nico Waher, kasama po si Mr. A. Romel Hernandez to bring you this championship game between the yellow team and the white team.
Okay. Starting lineups for the white team. Gets, Archie, Jeff, JM, and Sir Oscar. On the yellow team, Akbo, Junmar, Earl, Esquivel, and Sir Bonnie. Bragging rights.
Here we go. Our championship game, yellow team versus white team. Who's gonna get the first crack? It's gonna be the white team scoring off the jump ball.
Yeah, that's what I told you earlier. White team will run this game. Yun ang kailangan makontrol ng yellow team. Earl James, mid-range, lumabas, rebound by Gets Machenzo. JM De Guzman, pass the ball to Jeff Mate.
Mate Gives it to the corner, fires, misses. Battling for loose ball, yellow team gets it.
Alright. Nakatakbo. Ang ganda ng pagkaka-rebound. Uy, napakagandang pasa para kay Junmar.
But
Archie
better defense
tumatakbo.
there ang binigay ng white team as there will be a basket and a foul for number 22, Archival O'Connor.
Nakita natin doon yung speed at quickness ni Archie O'Connor.
There's the second basket for Archie. And right now, he's up the line to shoot that N1 opportunity. Completing itong si Archie O'Connor. May galaw rin talaga yung mga naglalaro dito sa
Yes.
ROHQ. Rommel, ano? Ikaw,
So,
you've been here for many years.
Yeah, if you will sumasali yung Asurion sa mga BPO Olympics sa mga na previous year.
Mhm.
So maraming skilled players talaga dito. Esquivel, dribbling the ball, pass to Junmar. Junmar, zigzag, layup, lumabas. Rebound by Machenzo. Stolen by Esquivel. Esquivel, turn around.
I'll do that, sir. Yung ginagawa mo. Yung sa'yo, analyze mo lang. Sir.
Ah,
Kasi mas kabisado mo sila kung ano yung tendencies nila. Yun lang yun.
okay.
It's going to be a baseline inbound for the yellow team. They're still scoreless. Esquivel fakes, drives. Another miss. Here's the second try for the yellow team. Tap from behind. Esquivel drops it off. And finally for yellow team, their first score in this
Yeah.
first quarter.
Napabayaan nila si Junmar sa pagkakataon na yon. Walang naka-box out sa kanya. That give him an opportunity to shoot.
Ito na naman si O'Connor, this time from
Oy!
the outside. And that's a putback from Matienzo. Ang
No one
haba.
boxed out. Gets Machenzo that time.
It's now the yellow team's turn to get another basket. Ding-ding. Pero yung ding-ding yung natumba ron. As there will be two shots to be
Bumang-
given
Kabanggaan ng dalawang matigas
to
that
Akpo.
time.
Sino ba dyan paborito mong teammate sa yellow team nung dati kang naglalaro sa
Baka
kanila?
may magselo, sir. Di tayo mamimili.
Right now, Akbo with his second shot. Great attack from Akbo. 1 out of 2. They're down by 4. Now Mate setting up the play for the white shirt. Gives it to O'Connor. Balik sa gitna. Libre si Mate. Yes, sir!
Napaka-flawless shot para kay Jeffrey Mate.
10-3 ang ating score with 7:50 remaining in the first quarter. Akbo with a looper, misses. Another rebound for the white team and there will be a foul called on Sedulo. Tama ba, sir? Sedulo? Sedulio.
Score natin, 10-3 in favor of white team.
It's a great first 4 minutes for the white team. Look at that pass. O'Connor to Machenzo. Pero turnover ang kinalabasan doon. Tatakbo ng yellow team.
2-on-1 play.
Bonifacio!
Foul. 2-on-1 play opportunity para sa yellow team.
Bonifacio at tapang atao.
Good pass on the part of Junmar Cargullo on a running Arnold Bonifacio.
Dalawang tira mula sa linya ang bibigay kay Arnold Bonifacio. First shot is no good. Sa mga ganitong liga, talagang yung free throw, isa sa pinaka-importanteng tira para sa mga players.
Oh, because sometimes free throws wins you games. Lalo na pag ang lamang ng kalaban, isa lang.
Yan. Tulad kanina,
True.
nakita natin maraming minintis yung blue team before that crucial play. Amate gives it to no one. Buti na lang napulot ni De Guzman. Machenzo from the right, misses. Rebound Sedulio. Tatakbo ng yellow. Bonifacio.
Pocket shot yun ni Gets eh. Gets
Almost.
another foul on Gets Machenzo.
Almost a great defense from Machenzo.
Yung
Yeah.
shot kanina ni Gets Machenzo, pocket shot niya yun.
Paborito.
Favorite place, favorite spot talaga niya yun.
I think that will be the second foul nitong si Machenzo, but tingnan natin kung tama ang record natin. Bonifacio, 2 out of 2. Kalahati ang inahabol ng yellow team. 10-5 ang score natin. 5:53 remaining in the first quarter. Medyo chill-chill pa, Romel. Ano?
Yeah, chill pa.
Machenzo.
Uy!
Great block, pero may tinawag na foul against Bonifacio. What a play.
Ikaw, ganda ng depensa ang ginawa doon ng yellow team. Kitang-kita mo yun. Pag angat ni Machenzo, dalawa kaagad yung bantay niya.
Yan nga lang, sabit
Oh,
ang isa doon sa dalawa na nandun. But you love the effort from the yellow team as Machenzo now at the line para bawiin yung dalawang ibinigay niya doon sa kabila.
yes.
First shot
First
for
shot.
Machenzo, no.
Good. Let's see if we can convert the second one.
Machenzo, 0 out of 2, but the ball, I thought it's white
Yellow
ball, but the ball will go back
Yellow.
to the yellow.
So good backs out
Yellow
there.
na may green.
Actually, it's yellow for the Asurion branding color.
Esquivel, now Sedulio. Cargulio cutting in the middle. But there's a shot, second chance. Misses. Here's the third serving. Bonifacio, fourth serving.
Gets
Oh,
the
what a
foul
great
that
play
time.
from Arnold Bonifacio.
Who's foul rep? Number 32, Oscar Garcia.
Grabeng pangalabaw ang ginagawa ron ni Bonifacio sa ilalim.
5 minutes, 9 seconds remaining sa ating first quarter.
Misses on the first one.
Nakikita natin kahalagahan ng free throw dito dahil sunod-sunod yung foul eh.
Buti na lang, nakaisa. 1 out of 2 on the trip to the line. Palit tao muna tayo or there's
Okay,
a timeout.
mandatory substitution. Okay, papasok na para sa yellow team si Jackie, Zorel, Jonathan, Bien, and Melvin Licon. Sa white team naman, papasok na si season MVP last year, Kervin Abalos, Kevin Bahaw, Yu, Dave Libid, and Belbuena.
Halfway through the first quarter, apat ang lamang nitong white team, 10-6. Abalos gets it to the right side. Now in the middle, there's a foul called as Yu takes that looper.
Napakagandang cut na ginawa doon ni Yu. Open na open para sa isang hook shot.
I'm curious bakit 96 yung
Baka naubusan.
ano ni Michael Yu. There could be a story.
Yeah.
Tingnan natin kung narinig yun ni Yu. Second shot for Michael Yu. 0 out
Rebound,
of 2.
Sorel.
Yellow team has the ball now. They're still trailing by 4.
Mukhang nag-reflect yung sinabi ni Captain Earl.
Great pass. Pero Mintes, tatakbo na si Abalos. Mag-isa siya rito. Abalos bombs and scores!
Yun ang strength talaga ni Kervin.
That's the first 2 points for Abalos. What a play. Monteberrean taps from behind. Itong si Abalos. 2-on-4, pass break. Binato na lang. That's a turnover.
Turnover para sa white team. Pinapakita agad dito ng white team kung anong strength nila. Run and gun.
Sabi mo nga kanina, mabilis itong white, di ba? That's Kevin James Bahaw ang naka-turnover doon. Ganda ng pasa sa gitna. May foul lang din. Ito yung sinasabi mo, Romel, na importante yung mga tira mula sa free throw.
Yeah, that time, Arvin maximized his height. So he's able to get a foul. Who's foul rep pala?
Arvin Francis Bien now at the line. First shot is no good for him.
Napatumba na lang doon si Balbuena.
Second shot, misses. Another rebound for the white shirt. Bahaw crosses. Gives it to the inside. Oh, the ball will stay with the white shirt.
Napakagandang intention na ipasa doon sa ilalim dahil libre-libre. Hindi nga lang nakakonvert.
Libid. Gets it to Bahaw. Walang mapuntahan. Traveling violation ang itatawag. Ganda ng depensa.
Yep, magandang depensa ang pinakita doon ng yellow team. Napa-traveling doon si Kevin Bahaw.
3:20 remaining in the first quarter. Still a 6-point lead for the yellow, or for the white. As Montevirgen attacks, and he was fouled.
Jackie Montevirgen saw the open lane and attacks Balbuena right away.
We're having a lot of fouls in the first quarter. Free throws ang importante ngayon. First shot is no good for Montevirgen.
Walang free
Jackie
throws.
Montevirgen.
Napaka-importante ng free throw sa laban na to.
Second shot, 0 out of 2. But Montevirgen gets his own miss and scores.
Everybody goes up that time and the only one na nandun para kunin ng bola is yung tumira mismo na si Jackie.
Yan ang sinasabing kakampi mong bola.
Oo.
Abalos fires from the top of the key.
Air ball.
Walang tinamaan doon. May screen pala ron.
Oh, yeah. May parang net cover.
Montevirgen still with the ball. Pass it to Bien. Now Nathan from the 3 misses. Bien saves it, but turnover.
Sayang, hindi nakita ni Nathan kanina si Zorel open pa na for 2. Jump ball.
Jump ball. And the ball possession arrow goes to
Goes
the
to
yellow.
Yellow ball, yellow ball.
Oh, kasi nung jump ball kanina, white ang nakakuha.
Yep.
4 lang ang lamang nitong white shirt natin. With 2 and 7 remaining in the first quarter.
Now Nathan finds Zorel.
Mintes battling for loose ball. Abalos gets it. Tatakbo na, 2 on 4. Abalos pumps and gets another foul.
Hinabol talaga ni Zorel that time si Kerbin dahil he knows the only way to stop Kerbin.
Atake ang ginagawa ni Abalos dito. We saw him a while ago dun sa kanyang first attack. He completed that. Etong pangalawa medyo pinahirapan na siyang kaunti, Romel.
He saw an open lane but Zorel hindi siya pinayagang makasabas na lang makalayup.
He misses his first one. Here's the second.
Mag-free throw
Coming
ka
up.
na lang, Kerbin.
Nako. But he gets his
Pero
own miss.
na-recover niya yung
Parang si
bola.
Montevirgen na wala ang bola. Scrambling. May foul na itatawag. Or it's an out of bounds. Oh, there's a foul on number 17,
Foul on
Gerente.
Zorel.
Si
Yep.
Gerente.
Herente, foul on Herente.
Inbound play for the white shirt. Bahaw with the ball. Ito na naman si Abalos. Aatake sa ilalim. Mintes. But the ball will stay with the white shirt and Bahaw was fouled.
Yung ball lang yung pumapatak sa white team that time. Imagine, naitira na. Pumatak pa mismo sa mga kamay ni Bahaw.
Yung wala ka nang ginagawa,
Nakatayo na lang siya.
nakatayo na lang. As Bahaw gets his first shot.
I think yellow team has to improve their box out ability. Dahil yun nga, pag umangat yung bola, wala nang kumukuha eh.
Timeout muna ang itatawag ng yellow team as they are down by 5, 13-8.
Okay, tingnan natin adjustment na gagawin ng yellow team after a timeout.
Magbabalik pa ang ating championship game dito sa Asurion ROHQ Sports Fest 2024. We are back here at the Palms Country Club, Alabang, Muntinlupa for the championship game between the yellow team and the white team. It's gonna be a battle for pride. Sa ngayon, lamang ang white team natin 13-8 pero hindi naman nagpapalayo itong yellow team. Your previous team.
Yep, slowly humahabol dito ang yellow team. They just need to have some improvements, lalo sa pag-box out.
But that's a great defense from the white team. But yellow didn't give up on that play.
Good read by Nathan San Juan.
Ito naman ang atake ni Abalos, but may foul. Hindi lang natin alam kung si Mateon o si Bien.
Miscommunication on the defensive side by the yellow team. Napabayaan doon si Kerbin on an open lane.
As Abalos once again at the line. Kanina pa namimiesta ito si Abalos dyan sa linya. But hindi lang makalunok.
Sayang. Yun nga, nakikita natin talaga kahalaga ng dahil kung lahat ng free throws ng both teams na shoot, napakataas na dapat ang score natin ngayon.
As Abalos gets another rebound. Mintis ba? Great D from the yellow team. Ang daming tsansa for the white team. Ang hirap ito, Wed. Montebirhen against the defense of the white. Montebirhen scores for an easy two.
Nice pass break on the part of yellow team.
White, great pass. Great shot.
Nice
What an overhead pass.
Over the head pass, behind the head pass. Op,
Bien, walang mapuntahan doon. Turnover by the yellow team.
outside. Mukhang pag-landing ni Arvin ang napatapak siya sa linya. Resulting to a turnover.
13 seconds remaining in our first quarter.
10.
White
10
team with the
seconds.
last chance for the last shot. Mintes, 4 seconds.
3
Yellow
seconds.
team has
2
the ball.
seconds.
Montebirhen, and he was fouled. That's a 3.
I think foul should be called. Yep. Dahil act of shooting yun eh. Ano bang tawag ni ref? Tumawag ba ng foul si ref?
There's a foul called by our referee. 2 shots. It's down the floor.
2 shots.
2 shots will be given to Montebirhen. Down the floor daw.
Penalty.
Penalty.
Okay.
Kanina pa tayo maraming foul na nakikita.
So, sa floor yung foul,
Yep.
hindi act of shooting. Pero dahil penalty, Jackie will be awarded 2 free throws.
Yes.
Yun yung explanation natin sa nangyari. Shoot mo.
First shot for Montebirhen.
First
Yes.
free throws, good.
That's a chance for the yellow team na mapababa pa ang kalamangan ng white. Dalawa lang hinahabol nila
Dalawa.
rito.
A chance to trim it to one o single lead.
Imagine if that's a shot sa fourth quarter. Just a 1-point game. 2-point lead. Mintis na rito. And at the end of the first quarter,
Yeah, Dave Libet throws a Hail Mary pero hindi umabot doon sa ring.
white team hanging on and this 1-point lead against dito sa ating yellow team. 15-14, magbabalik ang Asurion ROHQ Sports Fest 2024. We are back for our championship game between the yellow and the white team. Sa ngayon, lamang ang white team by just a single point, 15-14. As we saw a while ago before that buzzer sounds, dun sa ating first quarter ay nakadalaw pang free throw itong si Montevirgen. Kaya isa lang ang hinahabol nila ngayon.
Okay. We'll see. Okay, welcome to the second quarter.
White team has the ball. Swings it to the top. Traveling violation ang itatawag dito kay Villete.
Napatravel doon si Idel Villete that time. You can see the pressure that the yellow team is giving the white team.
Oh, bad pass from Cargullo.
Hindi nasalo ni Mike Ang.
Malakas masyado. Villete orchestrating. Gets Maniklang. Fires. Friendly bounce. No. This is the third chance. Finally for the white team. This time, ang nakascore ay si Malano. Akbog gives it to the left side. Anticipated.
Stolen. Nabasa ng white team ang opensa ng yellow that time.
Villete, wala mapasahan. Gives it to Malano. Robles. Back to the top. Now to the corner. Misses. Another serving for the white shirt.
Rebound again by the white team.
Villete handles. Pinigay. Doon sa elbow. Mintis na naman. Rebound.
That time napakaganda. Oy, yun lang.
Another steal by Villete. Looper is good. (19-14) ang ating score with 8 minutes and 6 seconds remaining in the second quarter.
Oy,
Muntik pang mawala rin ng bola. Akbo. Bonifacio!
napakagandang ikot ng bola. Nakita nila si Arnold Bonifacio na open sa ilalim.
Villete. Manning the point. Umiikot sa kabila. Ang kakampi niya. Malano. Drives. To the top. Jumper, no. Manaklang gets the rebound. Nakuha ng yellow team ang bola. Tatakbo na si Akbo. Dalawang bantay rito. Akbo was fouled.
Lou Akbo taking the opportunity to take the ball and get a layup. And nakita niya si Hernandez lang ang kanyang bantay. At tingin niya, kayang-kaya niya siguro. Kaya umatake na siya. Official timeout.
An official timeout here. We're checking on something. But a while ago, Rommel, we saw how Akbo able to get a foul doon sa depensa nitong mga taga-white shirt. Ganun din ba ginagawa mo nung naglalaro ka sa kanila?
Oh, good.
We're back in the game. Akbo shooting 2 shots from the line. They're down by 3. First shot is no good. Second throw, no. Rebound by Malano. Si Manek lang naman ang naghahawak ng bola rito against the defense of Cargullo. Gives it to the elbow. To the baseline, Mintes.
Maganda ikot din ang bola ng white team pero hindi lang nakawag-convert.
Ito na naman si Akbo.
Official timeout.
Isa ang inahabol na lang nitong yellow team. As we will have an official timeout, magbabalik ang Asurion ROHQ Sports Fest 2024. We're back here at the Palms Country Club, Alabang Muntinlupa for our championship game. Nagkaroon tayo ng bahagyang lal in this championship game because they are discussing about the house rules. Kung yung pagpasok ng mga tao, ikaw matagal ka na dito, ano ba yung house rules natin?
House rules natin kasi pagka-elimination game, iba sa pagka-finals round, no? Okay. Na.
Ito yung mga 5 minutes, ipasok muna, ano? As Maniklang will fire from the 3 is good. A great shot there from Lee Michael Maniklang.
Junmar babawi.
Cargullo, babawi, Mintis. And look at Bonifacio. Forcing his way inside for the 2-shot.
Arnold Bonifacio is pounding the inside mula kanina. At nagka-fiesta rin siya sa free throw line.
Kanina pa ginagawa ni Arnold yung mga ganyan sa ilalim. Getting that offensive rebound.
Uy, rebound pa
Tulad
lang yun.
nito.
Uy, ano yun?
Third serving. And
Foul
again,
again.
Arnold Bonifacio. That's the second time, or I think third time na ginawa ito ni Arnold.
Again, ulitin ko, Arnold Bonifacio is pounding the inside para sa yellow team.
Kailangan humanap ng paraan ng white team to box out itong si Arnold. Muntik pa nga niya makuha yung pangapat doon.
Hindi pa niya makuha.
Villete has the ball now.
And tie game na tayo, ha?
22-all ang score natin. Maniklang. Thanks to that Arnold Bonifacio. Mintes ang tira ng white doon. Balik ang bola sa yellow. Cargullo.
Chance for that yellow team to take the lead.
Ito naman si Akbo. Gives it in the middle. Great pass. Pero mintis ang tira. Nitong number 5 si Pacheco.
Good intention, di lang na-convert.
Malano drives to the basket. Almost a great defense from Arnold. But he gets a foul there.
Mike Malano driving through the lane into the heart of the defense of yellow team. At nakakuha siya ng foul mula kay Arnold Bonifacio.
Malano will have 2 shots from the line. First shot is no good for Michael Malano. Ang dami may pangalan Michael dito, ano? Second shot, Malano. 1 out of 2.
And the white team has the lead again. Back.
Balik nga ang lamang dito sa mga nakaputi. As Akbo and Bonifacio carrying the team load in this first half. Cargullo will fire from the corner. Malakas. Villete may hawak ng bola. 1, 2 on 3 fast break. Great pass. Great rejection.
Nice anticipation on the part of Lou Anthony Akbo. Anticipating na ipapasa yon ni Idel Villete.
Kanina pa tumitirang ganun si Robles as Maniklang
Uy!
misses. Malano able
Malano
to get
with a freebie.
that offensive board at naka-score pa nga doon.
Tumakbo lang siya doon for a rebound pero sa kanya mismo pumatak yung bola galing sa air ball ni Manek lang.
And with 5 minutes and 9 seconds, eto na. Eto na yung 5-man substitution once again for both teams. Ito na yung house rules din yun. Part of the house rules yun, yung 5-5. 25-22 ang score natin. Pulot na lang ng pulot itong white team dun sa ilalim. Tulad ng ginagawa ni Bonifacio dito sa kabila.
Yes.
Montevirgen kicks it out to Licon. Mintes. Montevirgen gets the rebound. Hinanap yung board. Wala long doon. As there will be a jump ball.
Jump ball again.
And the ball,
Ball
possession,
possession
arrow
arrow.
will remain
Stay with yellow.
with the yellow team. Pagalingan na lang mag-offensive rebound dito, Romel, eh?
Yeah.
Yellow team with the basketball.
Tumira.
Malayo. Hits the front of the iron. And the ball will go back to the white shirt. Four and 20 remaining. Tatlong lamang ng mga nakaputi. Mate gives it to the left side. Machenzo underneath. Nagkakagulo and 3
3
seconds
seconds
violation.
violation.
Will be
Nahuli.
called.
Nahuli ni referee si number 18 that time na nandun sa shaded area.
Yeah, that's Denzel R.D. Cruz. Napituhan sa ilalim. San Juan gives it to Licon. Now Monteviergen drives. Great shot. Mintis lang. Machenzo battling. But
Recovered
Yellow
by Sorel.
gets the board. Ito naman ang tira ni Monteviergen. No! Nathan battling it out. And there will be 2 shots for number 17.
Grabe, yung hustle
Herente.
play na ginagawa ni Rehente doon. Dito mo, kahit everywhere on the floor na pumapatak yung bola, nandun si Sorel para kunin ang rebound. And eventually, nabigyan siya ng foul at ngayon nasa free throw line na siya.
Check that pala. That's that Nathan. That's Zorel Herente from the yellow shirt. 1 out of 2 for him. Dalawa lang ang inahabol. It's still a close game in our first half. O'Connor drives and scores!
You see the lightning speed of Archie O'Connor. Dire-diretso doon sa loob ng shaded area at lumay up.
Abundo, tatawagan muna ng foul doon. Kumagat doon sa peke nitong si Herente.
Yep. Pag-angat, pag-pull up ni Herente, sumakay doon si Abando.
Ito pala si Nathan, yung 29.
Napakagandang ball movement, libre.
All board for Herente, but he gets his own miss. Herente finally! Pulot-pulot.
Yung sinasabi ko na pag sa'yo ang bola, sa'yo talaga yung pupunta.
O'Connor. And he will be fouled on the way up. 2 shots once again for O'Connor. Archival O'Connor doing the damage inside. Di pa natin nakikita tumitira sa labas ito si O'Connor. Isa yata nung first quarter.
Yeah, pero may tira rin sa labas yan. Baka gameplay. You never know.
As he trains the first one and the second one, apat na muli ang lamang. 29-25 with 2:50 remaining in our first half. Yellow team has the ball. San Juan and Monteviergen. Passing it between the two of them. Whoa, great shot. Mintis
What
lang
a
doon.
hang time na ipasa.
Point blank miss. Monteviergen hindi na pumaya. Again, scores another one.
Yeah, before that sequence, nakita natin yung hang time. Oop, nabitawan. Sayang. Yung nag-hang time pa doon, si Jackie Monteviergen.
Sipag ang labanan ng puti at ng dilaw. Mate, binigay sa gilid from the 3. Mintis lang doon. Machenzo gets the board. And he was fouled by number 13, Elson Louis Chu.
Ang ganda ng box out doon ni Elson Chu until the last second na nakapuslit sa likod niya si Gets Machenzo.
Etong si Raymond Machenzo, sa mga ganitong liga, sentro ang laro. Pero labas talaga ang laro niyan.
Yeah, tumatakbo rin yan.
As Machenzo drains the first shot from the line. Extending this lead ng white team to 3, 30-27. 2 minuto natitira sa ating first half. Machenzo sinks the second one. 2 out of 2. Monteviergen calling a play. Herente offers a pick. Chu! Mintis. Ito naman si Monteviergen. Mintis pa rin doon.
Sayang.
Bola nasa nakaputi. O'Connor bumps and scores the basket! At napatawag na nga ng timeout ang yellow team as the white team continues to be aggressive. They are
Archie.
up 33-27 with 1:39 remaining. Magbabalik ang ating championship game dito lang sa ROHQ Sports Fest 2024.
Ice cream good. Wow.
Back to the ball game as our white team is up 33 to 27 with 1 and 39 seconds remaining. Romel, ano bang ginagawang maganda nitong white team natin? And lamang sila ng 6 ngayon.
Well, if you will notice, every time Archie O'Connor is on the floor, white team is always running. Every time makikita ni Archie na open yung linya, tinatakbo na niya kagad yun. Not bothering of the defense na binibigay ng yellow.
And what's wrong right now with the yellow team?
Well, all I can see is box out naman na sila, na-improve na yung box out ability. Ang kailangan na lang siguro dito is consistency na bawat offense na makukuha nila is ma-convert nila into points.
And also, they need to do a good job on the transition defense as O'Connor once again scoring off a layup. They're up 35 to 27. May foul na naman kasama, Romel.
Yun, gaya ng sinabi ko kanina, every time Archie has the ball, wala na siyang pakialam sa depensang binibigay sa kanya. Atake na lang siya ng atake.
Walang masyadong tumatakbo sa depensa para dito sa yellow team as O'Connor once again completes that N1 opportunity. Kailangan nila nung harang para hindi na makatawid itong white team natin.
Ang problema, pagka naharang, nakukuhaan niya lang ng foul, tapos nakukonvert siya paminsan.
Herente, piso-piso, wala doon. Montevergen once again securing that offensive board and scores.
Sipag ang pinapakita dito ni Jackie Montevergen, providing the second chance points para sa yellow team.
Mate, 38 seconds remaining sa ating first half. Mintes ang tira ng mga nakaputi. Ibababa ng bola. Licon gets it to Herente. San Juan, a steal by Mate. 21
Good
seconds.
read by Jeffrey Mate that time.
Mate drops it off. Binigay kay Machenzo and the ball will go back to the yellow shirt. A chance for the last shot for the yellow. Licon, 5 seconds. Malakas ang pasa. Steal by O'Connor, 2 seconds. Aabot ba? O'Connor beats the buzzer! And after 2 quarters, white team up 38 to 29. 29. Ang nanguna doon ay itong si Archival O'Connor.
Yep. Kita mo yan, ang taas nung pasa, pinilit pa rin habulin ni O'Connor. At nung nakuha niya yung bola, again, tumakbo na naman siya. Dire-diretso para sa isang buzzer beater layup.
Kalkulado ang oras. Maraming pa tayo aksyon. 2 quarter pa natitira. Magbabalik ang ating Asurion ROHQ Sports Fest 2024 Basketball Championship Game. We are back for the continuation of our basketball championship game between the yellow team and the white team. As the white team now up 38 to 29. Nico Wahe po kasama si Mr. A. Romel Hernandez. Romel, ang ganda ng pinakita nitong white team dun sa ating first quarter. Yellow team, 2 quarter pa naman ang natitira. Pero yung white team talagang pinakita nila kung ano yung advantage nila, which is yung speed.
Yeah. At kitang-kita natin yun well demonstrated by Archie and Kerbin and Jeff Mate.
Kilala mo din tong yellow team from the past dahil naging team mo rin sila eh. Sino ba dapat yung pumupukol sa mga ganitong pagkakataon dito sa yellow team?
Well, ang aasahan natin dito is si Junmar Cargullo. Ito, si number 18.
Pero mukhang hindi pa tayo nakakakuha ng maganda-ganda mula rito kay Cargullo.
Hindi pa nag-iinit si Junmar. Abangan natin maya-maya.
As Mate was fouled on the way up. 2 free throw ang ibibigay sa kanya rito.
Lamang narito ang white team ng 12 points. Tama ba?
Also, Romel, kanina, sinasabi mo, ang standing nito sa finals, itong dalawa, ay 1-1. Kasi nagkaharap na rin sila dun sa mga previous years.
From 2022, since we back from pandemic.
So this is a tiebreaker.
Yep.
Talagang dignidad ang nakataya
Yes.
sa laban na to. As Cargullo was... Oh! A turnover by Cargullo.
Lifting. Natawagan ng lifting doon si Junmar Cargullo.
Etong second half, labo-labo na to. Wala na yung house
Yep.
rules natin.
Yes.
Machenzo gets the board. Binigay sa taas kay Archie. Abalos. Great duo. Oh, great
Nice
defense
defense.
from Bien. Mate. Want to shoot. At matatawagan na ng 24-second violation. Great defense.
Shot clock violation right there. Turnover para sa white team.
As Esquivel will sit down.
Ngayong second half, makikita natin yung tactical substitution ng both teams since wala nang mandatory 5 minutes.
Ito si San Juan back in the game. Together with Akbo, Cargullo, Bien. At itong si Arnold Bonifacio. Bien, inside. And the basket! May kasama pang foul!
Napakaganda ng pasensyang pinakita doon ng yellow team. Akala mo broken play na eh. Di ba? Walang mapasahan si Luakbo. Suddenly, pops up si Arnold Bonifacio at nakita niya si Arvin na kumat doon sa gitna at nakakuha pa ng foul.
Great read there para sa yellow team as Bien able to find a shot and fished a foul. Mintis lang dun sa kanyang N1. Mate drives. Right layup, no. Balik ang bola. Another stop from the yellow team. Akbo dribbling the ball against the defense of Mate and Abalos. Cargullo, hinahanap natin. Mintes. Bonifacio gets the board once again and scores!
No one prevails over Arnold Bonifacio that time. Gets the rebound and do this patented power move.
And there's a delay of the game warning against Bien. Hinawakan yata yung bola ron. Mate, wala mapasahan, gives it to Dave. A corner, zigzagging, misses. That's Dave Libby, that number
Good
4.
defense for the yellow team.
10 ang inahabol ng yellow team. Akbo and Bonifacio. Two-man game to San Juan. Great shot. Mintis
Arnold
lang.
Bonifacio.
Bonifacio spins and he was fouled.
Again, Arnold Bonifacio saw the opportunity to attack the middle at nakakuha siya ulit ng foul. Again, nasa free throw line na naman siya.
Dinadaan na ni Bonifacio sa lapad. Itong ilalim natin. And 2 shots will be given to him. A chance for Bonifacio to make this a single-digit lead for the white shirt, but he misses on that first shot. Ilan na bang puntos nitong si Bonifacio sa araw na to?
Na natin.
Second shot is good. 1 out of 2. Just a 9-point game. O'Connor against the defense of 3 yellow shirts. As Bonifacio is called for a foul there. Pangatlo na yata nito si Bonifacio to. Pero let us check it. Tatlo ang foul ni Bonifacio. First shot for O'Connor. Lista mo na.
Currently, Arnold Bonifacio has 3 fouls already. On the count, on the other side,
2 for
meron na rin 3
2
fouls si Dave Libid.
for O'Connor. Ilan ang puntos ni O'Connor ngayon? 16 points. Abalos.
Oh!
Great presence of mind by Abalos as he taps the ball of Cargulio. Sa labas naman kay Mate Mintes. Mate to Machenzo!
Napabayaan si Gets Machenzo that time.
O'Connor will be called for a foul. Niyakap daw nitong si O'Connor, who now has 16 points in this game.
Easy, easy.
Bien inbounding, gives it to San Juan. Dalawang dumepensa, great pass to Bien. Attacks the basket, and Bien! In and out, but he can't get it in.
Sinausaw na ni Arvin yung bola. That time, umikot-ikot lang. Lumabas pa.
Dalawang free throw ang
Nakaupo na
ibibigay.
Ginanon nyo. Lumabas pa.
First shot is good for Bien. 12 ang lamang ng white shirt with 6 minutes and 40 seconds remaining sa ating third quarter. 1 out of 2. Mate gets the rebound. O'Connor against 2 defenders. Nabitawan. Mate has the ball. Gives it to Libid. 10 to work with. Libid to Machenzo. And a foul.
Machenzo coming from the outside. Saw the opportunity to run because no one is defending Machenzo that time. He saw the opportunity to run at nakita siya ng kanyang mga kampe at naibigay sa kanya. And now he gets the foul. At magkaka-bonus free throw.
At naghahanap ng pamatay sunog itong si Coach Earl James Sedulio. They are down 49-35. Magbabalik ang Asurion ROHQ Sports Fest 2024.
Ice Cream Derby.
49-35 ang ating score. Yellow team struggling in this third quarter. Medyo hindi makahanap ng pupukol para sa kanila, Romel.
Need talaga nila dito mapigilan yung pagtakbo na ginagawa ng white team.
As Machenzo misses sa kanyang N1 opportunity. 6 and 16 remaining sa ating third quarter. Cargulio will try once again from the 3. Mintes. Tatakbo na naman si O'Connor. Tatlo ang kasabay. Mate for the easy 2.
Napakagandang run ang ginawa doon ng white team.
Dalawa ang bumabantay kay San Juan. Ginambala pero may foul.
Yes, ginagawa na naman dito ng white team ang kanilang trap defense. Tinatrap nila yung ball handler.
Cargulio still
Forcing a
struggling.
turnover. Trying to force a turnover.
Montebirhen was fouled. Penalty na ba? Penalty na yata. Dalawang tirang ibibigay dito kay Montebirhen.
Okay. White team is now already in the penalty na napakarami pang oras ang natitira. Yellow team can maximize this opportunity para kumuha ng maraming foul at to get into the free throws. Pero kailangan nila i-convert yun. Gusto nila makahabol dito sa larong to.
Marami pa namang oras, 5 minuto mahigit sa ating third quarter, and we still have another quarter after this. As Monteverde misses once again, pero offensive rebound by the yellow shirt. Third serving, Mintes. And white shirt able to get that defensive board. Abalos kicks it out. Great D from Bien.
White team settling. Trying to set up a play.
O'Connor, malakas
Walang
ang pasa kay Bahaw. Balik ang bola sa yellow team. Labing limang inahabol ng yellow team dito. Bien pulls up. misses. Abalos gets the board. Nasa left si O'Connor. Binigay kay Bahaw. They found O'Connor from the elbow. Is good!
Again, Archie O'Connor showing his shooting from outside.
Narinig
Hindi.
yata tayo kanina.
Na hinahanap natin kanina.
Great pass to
Napakagandang
Bien.
pasa. Ang ganda ng pasa na yon.
They need more of that para makahabol dito. O'Connor, hindi maka back-to-back. Tatakbo si San Juan. Great shot from San Juan. At timeout muna ang itatawag ng ating white team. There's still a 54-40. Magbabalik ang ating basketball championship game. Back to the ball game as white shirts still leading here, but there's an anticipation on defense by yellow team. Tumatakbo na. Montevirgen attacks, misses. Great D from the white shirt.
Hindi na maximize yung pass break opportunity na yon.
As Mate
Foul on the floor.
will be fouled at penalty na ba? Hindi pa. It will be
Foul
an
on the floor lang sa baba. Not actual shooting.
baseline inbound for Mate. Hinanap si Machenzo. Parang pandiin na itong lineup ng white shirt. As
Naagaw.
Montevirgen steals the basketball. 4-on-2 fast break. Bien. Misses. Montevirgen. Nako, nakita may tulak. Itong si Montevirgen.
Offensive foul.
Walang kawala ron.
Na offensive foul lang na itawag. Sayang, ang daming yellow shirts under the basket.
O'Connor drives. And good. Grabe talaga mga galawan ni O'Connor. Inside and outside, meron siya.
Yeah, konting trivia. Laking tondo yan. Kaya matapang talaga yan.
As Serente answers back with a layup.
Pass break.
Ito na si Mate. Binigay kay Abalos from the outside. No!
White team checking their outside shooting. Oh, good read by
Bahaw
Kevin Bahaw.
running with Abalos. Abalos
Oh.
was blocked by Akbo.
What a defense by Lou Anthony Akbo.
I think the ball will stay with the white shirt. Nablakan eh. Magandang depensa pinakita ni Akbo doon.
Hindi naka-free layup doon si Abalos.
Uy, tumira si O'Connor sa gilid. Bahaw gets the offensive board. Fakes. Gives it to Abalos. Swings it to O'Connor. Once again, no! Third serving for the white shirt. And turnover muna ang itatawag. Balik ang bola sa yellow team.
Tactical substitution para sa yellow team. Ganon din sa white. Pinagpahinga muna nila si O'Connor.
A chance.
Now that O'Connor is out on the floor, we'll see what kind of offense white team will do.
This is a chance for the yellow team to cut this lead. It's just a 14-point game. Marami pang pwede mangyari, Rommel. Parehong team natin nasa penalty na. As Esquivel now at the line to shoot 2 shots. Esquivel brings it down to 13.
13 points. 13 points ang hinahabol dito ng yellow team.
Second shot is good.
2 for 2.
Sa dami rin ng free throw na minintes nila kanina dun sa first half natin. Di ba? The lead could have been much lower, no?
Oy!
Libid! Ang tawag,
Traveling
traveling
violation.
violation. Another stop for the yellow team.
Walang dalang passport si Sir Dave.
Cargulio gives it to the corner. What a shot from Montevirgen!
Jackie finally hitting from outside.
It's just a 9-point lead now.
Stepping.
At turnover pa ang itatawag sa white team.
Finally, yellow team gets a score from the beyond the arc.
Timeout muna ang itatawag. Magbabalik ang ating basketball championship game.
And now down to single digit.
Team good. Wow.
9-point lead here for the white shirt as we saw a mini run from the yellow team led by this guy, Montevirgen, as he misses from the outside. Bonifacio taking it down low.
Yeah.
Nakasungkit na naman ng foul, Romel.
Yup. Nakangiti na lang doon si Dave Libid nung nakita niyang papalapit sa kanya si Arnold Bonifacio. He knows what's coming from for him. Hinanda na lang niya yung katawan niya doon.
Dalawang ibibigay dito kay Arnold Bonifacio. He makes the first one. It's just an 8-point lead by the white shirt. Mula nung lumabas si O'Connor, yellow team takes advantage
Yes.
doon sa paglabas itong si Archival.
Oy,
as he
rebound.
gets another board. To si Herente, Montevirgen, sidestepping, misses. Bonifacio, foul!
Arnold
And the
Bonifacio.
basket. Para kay Arnold Bonifacio to trim this lead down to just 6.
Arnold Bonifacio turning back the clock.
Sugod, mga kapatid.
Parang prime Bonnie yung nakikita ko ngayon. Kung saan pinahihirapan lahat ng nasa ilalim, lahat ng nasa kanyang daan. Pinapabagsak niya lahat.
And
Namimiesta
here's
sa
the
free throw line.
bonus. Misses.
Rebound pa rin
Can
ba
he
ng
get his
yellow?
own miss?
Hindi.
And the ball will go back to the white shirt.
Feeling ko, ganun ulit yung sequence na mangyayari kung nakakuha pa ni Sir Bonnie yung bola eh.
Bumalik na rito si Archival O'Connor. Mate. Oh, there's an offensive foul called on Libid. Eagle eye from our
Yellow
referee.
team gets a live break there.
6 na lang inahabol nitong yellow team.
Nakakuha ng unforced turnover mula sa white team.
1 minute, 14 seconds remaining sa ating third. Esquivel gives it to Cargulio. Pick by Herente. Cargulio fires. Bonifacio
Bonnie!
gets the board, but misses. Tutukan yun. Abalos, all alone. Oh, Mendez!
Oh!
Point blank miss by Abalos, but the ball will be with the white shirt. Traveling violation ang itatawag.
Nahuli doon si Jeff Mate.
Balik ang bola sa yellow team. A chance for them to trim this lead down. Esquivel gives it to Montevirgen. Against the defense of Abalos. Picked by Herente. Gives it to Cargulio. Another try. Can he make it? Misses. Look at Montevirgen. Herente.
Oh.
Anticipated.
Anticipated yung pasa na yon kay Sir Bonnie.
Abalos.
This time siniguro ni Kirby na papasok yung kanyang layup.
Pag dumalawa
12
yun,
seconds.
baka masisi pa. And the ball will stay with the yellow team. 8 ang inahabol.
8.4 seconds remaining sa ating third quarter.
A last shot for the yellow team. Cargulio. Mawala ng bola. Jump ball ang itatawag
Yellow
natin.
team. Ball possession arrow, yellow team.
3.4 seconds remaining sa ating third.
3.4 to create a shot para sa yellow team.
Cargulio inbounding. Gives it to Herente. Fires a jumper! Big shot!
Buzzer beater shot para kay Sorel Herente.
And after the end of the third quarter, yellow team now just down by 6, 52 to 58. We still have another quarter to go. Magbabalik ang Asurion ROHQ Sports Fest 2024. After being down by 15 points, yellow team is back in this game. They are now just down by 6, 52 to 58. Napakagandang third quarter mula rito sa yellow team dun sa third.
Yes. Naka-recover ang yellow team doon sa kanilang third quarter. And now the lead is down to 4.
Yung third quarter natin, Romel, it was led by number 20, Montevirgen, and also great big shot mula kay Herente
Yep.
to beat the buzzer.
Napakagandang arcing shot, mid-range arcing shot. Pinakita ni Zorel doon.
As Machenzo scores the first point for the white shirt here in the fourth. Pito ang lamang ng mga nakaputi. Ginawang 8 ni Machenzo.
2-4-2.
Cargullo hindi pa rin nakakabutas dito. Dalawang dumidepensa. Scrambling for loose ball. And there will be a foul on O'Connor. Takan-taka doon si O'Connor. Bakit siya tinawagan? But there could be a hackle.
Yep. Daming humawak.
Pero gusto mo yung ginagawang depensa nitong white shirt kasi they know walang nagtatawid ng bola sa yellow team eh.
Yes. Once the yellow team dribbles the ball, tinatrap na to nila.
5 seconds to shoot for the yellow shirt. Montevirgen will fire. And
Bang!
beats the shot clock!
Jackie is doing it for the yellow team.
The lead is now down to just 5. Machenzo, libre!
Dalawang yellow shirts ang bumagsak.
Akbo setting the play, gives it to Cargullo. Montevirgen, libre sa gilid. Will fire once again. Montevirgen misses. O'Connor gets a rebound. O'Connor drives and scores!
Sinasagasaan na lamang ni O'Connor. Yun, libreng-libre.
Mag-isa si Bien doon sa ilalim. What an answer. Mate against Cargullo, gives it to Abalos for 3. Bang shot!
Board ring. Board ring. Ang ginawa doon ni Kervin Abalos. Balik sa 10 ang kalamangan ng white team.
Cargullo to Akbo. Sasagot. Mintes. Montevirgen gets the board. Cargullo to Akbo. Drives. Misses. White shirt gets the rebound. Tatakbo na si Mate. All alone.
Napakabilis ng mga Oh, sidestep move.
12 na naman ang lamang. Ginawang 14 ng white shirts. As we thought yellow team is back in this game, they are now down 71 to 57 with 7:39 remaining. Pagbabalik ang ating Asurion ROHQ Sports Fest 2024.
That's getting good. Wow. That's getting good.
Back to the ball game. White shirt now up by 14, 71 to 57. Anong nangyari doon, Romel?
Well, pagbalik ni O'Connor to start the fourth quarter, ayun, tumakbo na naman ang white at ginagawa ang kanilang trap defense.
Napagod
Half-court
na.
set.
Napagod na sa depensa itong yellow team. Akbo gives it to Bonifacio. Bumps.
Counted.
Scores the basket.
Arnold Bonifacio eating everyone on his front.
7 and 23. Mahaba pa to for the yellow team.
Kung mapapansin mo, yung defense ang ginagawa ng white team, nilalayo nila si Arnold Bonifacio sa paint.
Pilit naman ng pilit itong si Bonifacio sa ilalim. Hindi rin nila mausog.
Pero nagagawa nyo ng paraan ng yellow team na maibigay sa kanya ang bola. Kuha ni Bien.
Arnold misses too many shots from the free throw as Montevirgen scores another one. And there's a man down on the floor. It's Machenzo. Mukhang may ininda ron sa rebound play kanina. But before that, we saw great offense mula rito sa yellow team. 10 na lang inahabol nila.
Machenzo is down on the floor. Nyari. Tamaan yata sa muka.
Antabayan na natin kung ano nangyari dyan kay Machenzo. That's Raymond Machenzo playing center for the white team. Baka naiangat ng bahagya. Continue ang ating laban as the white team still leading here 71-61. They're battling for the championship against dito sa ating yellow team. 7 minutes, 18 seconds remaining. O'Connor bringing down the basketball. Melting the clock here. Maneklang with a pick. Hindi ginamit. O'Connor drives and scores! San Juan ginagambala. Bien gets the ball. Bien attacks. Misses. Libid gets the board.
Arvin.
Mate stops and palms. No.
Good decision there by Arvin.
Ito na
Arvin
naman si
again.
Bien. Walang tinamaan. As Libid, that's Malano. O'Connor against two, fades, misses, Maneklang with an offensive board. O'Connor from the outside.
Nice rebound by Jonathan San Juan.
Oh, great defense from Mate. 2-on-1. Mate and Maneklang. Saglit lang, sabi ni Mate.
Binaburn ng white team dito ang clock.
5 and 45 remaining. Maneklang from the three. Misses. But Libid battle it out.
Out of bounds. Possession will go to yellow team.
Hindi na ako nilibid yung bola ron. Balik sa yellow team ang bola. Bien. Taps by Malano. Mate drives. Misses. Akbo gets the board. San Juan, Looper is good. 10 lang.
10 na lang ang inahabol dito ng yellow team with 5 minutes remaining in the ball game.
Halfway through our fourth quarter, 10 ang inahabol nitong yellow team as O'Connor drives again and scores!
Grabe yung effort na ginagawa dito ni Archie O'Connor. Attacking everyone.
Gagante si San Juan sa mula sa labas.
Down. Jonathan San Juan for 3.
Just a single-digit lead.
Contributing to the cause of Yellow Team. Yellow Team bench starting to shout defense.
O'Connor. Maniklang offers a pick. Pulls up. Misses, but he
Oh.
gets his own miss. Mate. Sent to shoot for the white shirt.
Reset.
Malano. Misses. Akbo gets the board. Nauna si Cargullo. Akbo. Circus shot is good.
7 points advantage.
Maniklang drives and answers back.
Yumoyo pa.
77 to 68. 3 and 30 remaining. Cargullo will fire.
Wala pa rin.
Mintes. Mate taps it out. Pulls up.
Wala.
Mintes done.
Rebound Cargullo.
Cargullo, 3 and 10 remaining. Hinahanap si Bien, binigay kay Herente. Herente, Mintes.
Hoy,
O'Connor
Sayang.
gets the ball. 2 and 56 remaining.
1-on-1.
O'Connor!
O'Connor just doing whatever he likes.
30 puntos na mahigit ang ginagawa nitong si O'Connor as Herente gets it to
Oy!
Cargullo. Malakas ang pasa.
Good intention, hindi lang nasalo ni Junmar Cargullo that time.
2 and 38 remaining. It's an 11-point lead by the white team.
Trailing by 11 points with under 2 minutes and 38 seconds remaining in the game.
Tingnan natin, Romel, kung may isasagot pa itong yellow team. As O'Connor will try to melt the clock. O'Connor gives it to Kating Bahaw. Misses.
Nice pass.
Cargullo
nice
fakes.
fake.
Score!
Scores! Napakaganda ang transition ng ginawa doon.
Abalos, siya mga hinahabol ng mga nakadilaw. 2 minutes remaining. 10 to shoot.
Last
Bahaw!
2 minutes!
Stop by the yellow team. May foul na itatawag kay Lebid. 1 and 49 remaining. At timeout muna ang itatawag ng mga nakaputi.
9 points ang hinahabol dito ng yellow team with 1 minute 49 seconds remaining in the game.
Magbabalik
Bola,
tayo.
possession natin, nasa yellow team.
Magbabalik ang ating basketball championship game dito sa Asurion ROHQ Sports Fest 2024. Romel with 1 and 49 seconds remaining. Siya mang kalamangan. Meron pa bang tsansa itong yellow team?
Yes, meron pang chance yan. If you will remember the Tracy McGrady game sa San Antonio Spurs, 13 points in 13 seconds, if I am not mistaken. But mahirap yun. Mahirap yun gawin.
10 to shoot for the yellow shirt. Siya mang hinahabol. Montevirgen misses from the outside. O'Connor will try to melt the clock once again. Mate to O'Connor. 10 to shoot for the white shirt. Finds Machenzov and alley-oop.
Timeout, yellow team.
And the white shirt now up by 11, 81 to 70 with 1 and 16 remaining sa ating fourth quarter. Can they get the championship? Ayan ang ating aabangan sa pagbabalik ng Asurion ROHQ Sports Fest 2024. Back to the ball game. Labing isa pa rin ang inahabol ng yellow team. They need that quick three. And as part of the game, as Montevergen gets that three. Pero sa ibang paraan. Tingnan natin kung makukumpleto.
Yes. Jackie, good cut that time. Arnold Bonifacio finding Jackie cutting in the middle.
Montevergen cannot complete as Bonifacio misses. And Montevergen with 4 straight points under a minute remaining. They are down by 7. 81-74. O'Connor drives.
Nice block.
Rejection. Andun na si Montevergen sa ilalim. Fakes. Gives it to Cargullo. Nawala pa ang bola. Cargullo was blocked. And there will be a foul called on number 21, Machenzo.
Napakagandang block na ginawa doon ni Gets Machenzo. Umangat na si Junmar Cargullo. Akala niya libre na siya pero nandun si Gets Machenzo. Bigla na lang lumulpot sa kanyang harapan. Although recovered, nakakuha nga lang ng foul doon mula kay Jeff Mate.
33.5 seconds remaining. 7 ang inahabol ng yellow team as San Juan now at the line to shoot 2. Pero ang isa nagbintis. San Juan, 0 out of 2, but Bonifacio gets the basket at may kasama pang foul. We're not yet done, Romel.
Yellow is not giving up on this play.
We thought dire-diretso na ang alaguan itong white shirt, but Arnold Bonifacio may ibang gustong gawin sa laban na to. Just a 5-point game. At meron pang free throw na
May
ibibigay sa
chance
kanya.
pa. May chance pang ibaba to 4-point.
With 31.6, Romel, ano bang dapat na diskarte ang pwedeng gawin ng yellow team if ipapasok nitong si Arnold Bonifacio itong
If
free throw?
masushoot ni Arnold Bonifacio yung bola, when white team has the ball, they need to have a quick steal or quick foul for me. But since may time pa naman, medyo malaki nga lang yung lead ng white team. Medyo critical din na maghabol muna sila ng steal.
Ang problema nitong yellow team, they're not yet in the penalty.
Apat pa.
One foul to give, isang foul pa lang kinocommit nila in this fourth
May
quarter.
fouls to give pa sa white team. Yun yung malaking problema.
But at least it's still a ball game we're having today. Kanina pa puntos na run ng run. Itong yellow team may sinasagot itong white team pero yellow team keeps on hanging on, Romel. Another lull in this game, but one sure thing, Bonifacio will shoot a shot from the line. Let's see if he can make it. Pwedeng mintis, tapos kunin ang bola.
Yun yung best scenario.
Bonifacio to complete, misses.
Yun na nga yung nangyari. Tinapik nga lang.
Kukuha ba ng puti? And there will be a foul call against the yellow team. Wala pa sa penalty yata. Hinayang na hinayang itong si Arnold Bonifacio. Alam mo yung gagawin niya eh. Makukuha niya na.
Natapik pa. Sayang.
There's still 3 fouls to give para sa yellow shirt. As they will get that first of the 3. 26.2 seconds. Itong si Montevergen, isa sa buong buhat ng yellow team natin. They could get a steal from here, from this possession. Tingnan natin.
Tingnan natin.
If they will opt to foul or they will get
26.2
a
seconds
steal
remaining.
first. Oy, backcourt violation! A great call from our referees.
Lucky break para sa yellow team. Tumapak sa linya. Si Archie.
Great stop from the yellow team.
Unforced turnover.
23.5 seconds remaining. 5-point game. Akbo gives it to Bonifacio. Cargulio misses. And now Akbo gets the ball at may foul na itatawag kay Abalos. 11.4 seconds ang natitira sa ating fourth quarter.
With 11.4 seconds remaining, ang dami pang nangyayari sa ball game natin.
Big free throw coming in for Akbo, but he misses. We're hearing a ball don't lie chants from the white shirt. Akbo, second shot. He makes the second one. And there will be that foul called
3-point ball
against
game.
San Juan.
4.
9.8 seconds remaining. 81-77. Ang inbound sa labas pa. Sa kabilang court pa.
9.8 seconds. 4-point ang lamang ng white team.
Oh, San Juan is fouled out of the game after committing 5 fouls. He will be replaced by
Fouled out.
Esquivel.
Will be substituted by Esquivel.
81-77. White shirt ball. O'Connor, hindi na tinawag ng referee.
Tinawag.
Gives it to Machenzo. Misses. Machenzo scores for the championship.
Hindi tinawag yung foul dun eh. Hindi tinawag yung foul dun.
Inabot. As Machenzo sinks that layup, may tinawag pang technical foul for taunting ang ating referee. With 0.6 seconds remaining, I doubt if it's something that could give the yellow team an advantage. And after 4 grueling quarters, there's now a champion, your white team.
Congratulations, white team.